All right, good morning, YouTube. Welcome to my live stream. This morning, we are out in Folkston, Georgia at their Okeefenokee Festival and car show. Got a lot of different cars out here today. What do you think of that lavender C10? This thing is awesome. Anyway, I'm going to take you around and show you some of the highlights, show you what's here.
Billy, what way you going?
Love that Cobra. Oh, man. A lot of awesomeness here today.
Hardy fruit in. Some of them old school, and then they got that one over the Cobra. It looks like it ain't nothing but motor in that front. Out there looks like a hearse. It's like a book. A buddy of mine, oh, you can. A buddy of mine.
You're all right. Yeah, those things don't see very much. They got them stacked in here every which way they can get them.
Sorry, man, going by.
You're all right.
I apologize.
So much to look at. Love that Ranchero, man. That thing is awesome. You don't see those very often. Probably because they worked them hard and put them up wet.
Got to set down, take a rest on the court. The imagination sets in. Very soon I'm singing.
That's one of them converted bits for Marrow to Trans Am. It's nice. Yeah, they've also got a craft show going on at the same time. So they got a little bit of everything out here as far as crafts and stuff go. And
They got a pile of this. Looking at my back door. Morning, said, you're black. What was really good? Yeah, good. Follow me tomorrow. Someday I'll find the sky. When it's more nice
There's an old school trends. They have to go with the new school one. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up this live stream. Anyway, we're growing again. We're up to 85 subscribers, so that's good. Like I say, the more I grow, the more I'll go. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Keep these videos coming your way. So, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.